Hello traders, my greetings to each one of you. Hello everyone. Here we are live again. And let's start trading. Waiting for everyone to receive the notifications that we are live. So we can start our trading for today. Looking for best opportunities for the moment. Like and share traders, like and share so everyone can join, everyone would receive the notification that we are live and everyone would be joining. Always look for the best opportunities, trading the pairs with the lowest spreads in the account. Okay. And the AUD dollar is offering a great opportunity. So let's start. You can start buying the AUD USD with me right now, traders. So let's start with the AUD USD for the moment. Start buying the AUD USD to make big profits from it. Kindly like and share so everyone can join. Crypto Savior, good morning. You're most welcome, member. Nomad, hello King, hello. Like and share traders so everyone can join and we can start. We are going to make large profits from this entry. The AUD is moving great. Good morning from Canada, Mr. Positive Motivation. You're most welcome, member. My greetings to Canada. My viewers are from the whole world, and it's a pleasure for me from the US, from Europe, from Canada, from Australia, from the whole world. It's a pleasure for me, traders. You're most welcome. My greetings to each one of you and to all of your countries. I keep traveling from a country to another. I enjoy my time in all countries. Each country has a unique experience when you travel there for tourism, of course. Okay, so we are mainly on the AUD USD. Buy this market for the moment. Next, we might enter on the Euro USD, but for the moment, we are still on the AUD USD. Like and share traders so the number can increase, so everyone would be receiving the notification that we are live again. For people first time watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live. Moreover, you can join. The link is pinned here to become a member so you can join and watch everything for the live streams, members only live streams and all of that. The market was moving faster and now it's in a consolidation a bit. The volume was crossing EMA 20 and now slightly below it. So let's see how the price is going to act. Start buying the AUD USD with me. So now we are going long on the AUD USD market. USD CAD is offering a good selling opportunity. However, the AUD is a better opportunity for the moment. The GBP also is offering a good buying opportunity. However, we remain on the AUD USD. Once we close on our big profits, we can move to another pair. So start buying the AUD USD with me, traders. Kindly like and share so the number can increase and everyone can join. Buy AUD USD and wait for the big profit. Profits are coming, so buy the AUD USD and wait with me to catch the big profits. The price is fluctuating very close from EMA 9 for the moment. And the market is about to bounce off from there. The euro also made a good downward momentum, a strong momentum. If we zoom a bit, take a look at these big bearish candles, offering a great buying opportunity around this low. The AUD started pushing upward. The volume, as you can see, crossed EMA 20 on this candle. This is not a rejection, of course. So you have to be able to differentiate between different candles. You need to learn how to read the price action. So this candle, of course, is not a rejection. The market was fluctuating and it has closed near EMA 9, still at the same momentum. We're still in the Asian session, which is slow a bit. However, as you can see, you can trade all different sessions. I trade the whole day. You can trade all different sessions. Just avoid first and last couple of hours of any trading day, since at that time the spreads are very high and the market would be very slow. Okay, the price started pushing upward. Big bullish candles or big green candles are on the way. Let's wait for it. The market started signaling its upward momentum due to the volume crossing EMA 20 from here, as I told you previously. It was an interesting sign. If you have the knowledge that I provide on my website, you should learn that from here. It's a good sign. First target is going to be EMA 20. However, we are going to make big profits from it, so closing on EMA 20 is too early. The market can reach much higher levels. The euro is pushing upward also. The gbpusd is fluctuating between EMA 9 and the 20. The first resistance area here, if you are first time watching my channel, I advise you to watch my whole content from the beginning. Here we are trading the basic version, so only a limited version of the EMA strategy, and the full version is available on my website. So this is not enough, the basic version, to succeed in Forex trading. Of course, you need the full version. The AUD dollar is reaching EMA 20 as expected. Here we are, our first $100 in profits. Too early to close, so we do not close right now. Just wait with me, enjoying your profits that we are going to close on very soon. Again, the price is between EMA 9 and the 20. Kindly like and share, traders, like and share as much as possible so everyone would join. Again, the market is slow a bit because we are still in the Asian session. However, the price will be bouncing off and we are going to see a faster movement. Of course, you should be able to trade all different pace of the market, the fast one and the slow one. Quick questions. When do we have live streams? Well, actually, I'm not scheduling my live streaming, so make sure to click on the notification bell of my channel. It means to turn on the notification bell, so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live. Also, I love your strategies. Can you please guide on the best time? Exactly. I just answered your question. You're most welcome. You can trade the whole sessions, okay? So you can trade the whole day, the whole sessions, the Asian, the London, the New York session. Just avoid the first and last couple of hours of any trading day, because at that time the market is about to close or to open or just opening. So spreads are very high and the market is very slow. So it's not suitable for scalping. Okay, so the best setup for scalping is trading the pairs with the lowest spreads in the account. Also trading the whole day, just avoiding the opening and closing hours. And definitely some sessions are faster than the others. The higher the volatility, the better in scalping. But at the end, profit is profit. So even if it comes fast or slow, big profit or small profit, at the end, profit is profit. Again, the price here faced difficulties moving toward the second resistance area between EMA 20 and 50. The first resistance area is between EMA 9 and EMA 20. The second one between EMA 20 and EMA 50. The price is facing difficulties reaching the second resistance area due to the volume not being able to cross EMA 20. So the bullish momentum wasn't supported, as you can see. You should always be able to analyze the market. However, the bullish candles are bigger than the previous ones here. What does that mean? You should also pay attention to the bar volume, the candle volume, and also its size. So here we have larger bullish candles. It means there is a bullish momentum. So big green candles are on the way, and let's wait for that. Again, the price is still fluctuating very close from EMA 9. In such a case, of course, you do not add on your orders and you do not close with a very small profit. You are able to close with a larger profit. So controlling your emotions as a trader is more than essential. Trading psychology is an essential part of Forex trading. So the trader can be patient when you should be patient and can be brave enough when you should be brave enough, because trading is a quick career, okay? Quick decision. You have to be a quick decision maker. You don't have lots of time to think, especially in scalping. You are not here swing trading, let's say, or position trading. So you are opening a position for days and weeks. It's not your case. In scalping, you are opening a position maybe for seconds or minutes or a maximum a couple of hours, and you want to finish it. Okay, so you are making quick, fast, big profits. So you do not have time to think. That's one of the things that your trading psychology helps you as a trader to control that. So you are able to act on your skills immediately, brave enough, and to be patient when the market is moving in such a way. Again, let's check other markets meanwhile. The Euro USD has pushed upward a bit after big downward movement. The GBP USD is very close from the EMAs, 9 and the 20. USD CAD, as I told you, it was a good selling opportunity. However, the market is moving very slowly, so it wasn't a big opportunity. The Euro GBP, on the other hand, has offered a great buying opportunity at this low. If you've been trading the Euro GBP, you might have made profits from buying this low. USD and nothing special. It's very close from EMAs. Here was a good buying opportunity. Not a great one, a big profitable one, but a good opportunity. Okay, the AUD is preparing for the upward momentum. The volume is crossing EMA 20 here and there, not able to hold above it for some few candles. That's the missing sign or the missing push the price needs to start moving upward. Again, we are still very close from EMA 9. The price is unable to break above EMA 20 in such a strong manner to be reaching the second resistance area, which is here between EMA 20 and 50. So the red one and the blue one on my chart. Of course, you can select other colors. So the main goal of the price now is to break or to enter the second resistance area between EMA 20 and EMA 50. Take a look here at these attempts. The volume is increasing, crossing EMA 20 and increasing, indicating the powerful upward momentum that we are expecting. Again, another attempt toward the second resistance area. Here we are, reaching EMA 20 at the moment. At this candle, the price has entered the second resistance area. Let's see if it's going to break it. You have to wait till the end of the candle. Again, slightly above EMA 20. Take a look, the market is facing difficulties breaking the second resistance area. It's harder to break than the first one. The first one between EMA 9 and the 20 is easier than the second one. the price went back here to accumulate its bullish power and return back. Again, the price is trying to move toward EMA 50 at the moment. That's what I'm talking about. The market is always dictating my predictions. As I told you, the price is going to move toward EMA 50. And that's what happened. First attempt. So clearly the market bounced back here to accumulate its bullish power, returned back upward stronger toward EMA 50. Due to the increase in the volume here as seen, and here we are, big bullish candles are on the way. Still fluctuating above EMA 20, and the next target is EMA 50. After being rejected here, the market pushed up immediately. Let's see how things go from there. That's what I'm talking about, traders. Here we are, $200 in profits, and we still didn't close. It's too early to close at the moment. As I told you, the next target is the EMA 50. You see, that's how you should be able to read the market, like an open book. And as I told you, traders, pay attention here. As I told you, we need the volume to cross EMA 20 to be able to push toward EMA 50. And exactly, that's what happened. The volume crossed EMA 20 and the price has reached EMA 50, generating $250, $300 in profits. The market is exactly dictating my predictions. So from here, the volume crossed EMA 20, the market went up toward EMA 50. The missing sign is filled, so the market went back here. First of all, as we have analyzed some minutes ago, the market went back to accumulate its bullish power. The missing sign was the volume. The volume crossed EMA 20. The difficulties was breaking the second resistance area. The market failed in many attempts. However, at the end was able to break it and reach EMA 50 as predicted. Take a look. The price is still moving further on. $300 in profits, but we still didn't close. Be patient on your profits. $300 in profits, but we didn't close. Why to close too early? Why? Do you want to leave some profits on the table? Of course not. So you should continue trading. Waiting on your order when you should wait. You don't want to leave profits on the table, of course. Losers do that. Okay, traders, here we are, breaking EMA 50 and moving upward. Again, 350, 360, going toward $400 in profits. We've bought at the lowest low. That's your timing. So the trader should always work on his timing to improve. Now the market is facing difficulties at the last resistance area between EMA 50 and 200. The upward momentum is still on. Take a look, the volume crossed EMA 20 and held above it. Again, pushing upward. And the last resistance area, which is the toughest one, it's the hardest to break. So the price has a higher probability of bouncing off always from the third resistance area in downtrend and third support area in uptrend. Again, take a look at this big bullish candle. Of course, we are trading the Asian session, so the market is slow a bit. However, it can get fast anytime and during all sessions. The market is always moving from different speeds, and of course, the trader can never control the speed of the market. The trader should learn to adapt and trade all different speeds provided. Going to reach the $400 in profits. The Euro USD has moved upward, making a good momentum. GBP USD also was up. And again, The AUD is facing difficulties at this resistance line here. The market created is a resistance line at this area. Euro GBP, a great buying opportunity. USD yen very close from EMAs, as discussed early on. The GBP yen, a great buying opportunity down there. Again, the next target is trying to break this line. Always, you have to understand how the market works, how to read the market like an open book. Here, it has faced a resistance line, so turned back a bit to accumulate its bullish power that initiated this upward momentum. That's what I'm talking about. The volume was below EMA 20 and now started increasing above EMA 20, indicating the presence of the buyers who started this upward momentum early on. Don't forget to subscribe, traders, and turn on the notification bell so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live. You are always telling me that you are missing the notification, the streams. Make sure to turn on all notifications on my channel, or check your settings on YouTube that your notifications are allowed. So whenever I go live, you receive an instant notification. So you can trade live with me and make large, fast profits. It's always my pleasure. I've started this channel to place traders on the right path towards success, and that's my legacy. Again, the market accumulated its bullish power and pushing upward, bouncing off from EMA 20. Price fluctuating around EMA 20 before continuing its upward momentum. Jonathan, hello King, good to see you again. You're most welcome, member. It's my pleasure. traders who are just joining, you can still go long with us on AUD USD. However, wait for the price to reach. If you will have an opportunity, wait for the price to reach our levels here. We have bought the lowest low, so wait for the price to get closer from this low where we have bought, and you can start entering with us. Again, the volume is increasing, always in scalping. It's always recommended to trade high volatility, so high volume, fast markets. Traders, like and share so everyone can join. Kindly like and share. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell. And congratulations in advance for the big upcoming profits. Okay, traders who just joined, the price is getting closer from our orders, so you can also buy with us and join this entry. As discussed early on, you have to adapt to all different market speeds. So as you can see, in slow markets, we wait on our orders to generate the profits required, while on fast markets, you enter fast, you exit fast. You can never, as a trader, control the speed of the market, but you can control your trading. So when the market is slow, you have to trade in that manner. Okay, so traders who are just joining, you can add on your orders. The market is getting closer a bit from our first entry, so you can add. And here I will be adding on my orders, so to be trading with you. When the price is consolidating and the volume is increasing above 20 MA, okay, is it fair to say that we should expect a bullish momentum? Traders, big bullish candles are on the way. Okay. When the price, again, another question, is consolidating and the volume is increasing above 20 MA, okay, we could expect, okay, you could expect a bounce off. So you could expect a preparation, a bounce off for a momentum. It could be upward momentum. Sometimes it could be a continuation of the trend, either uptrend or downtrend. It's not always upward, or so it depends. Sometimes it's a bullish momentum, while in other times it's a bearish momentum. That's why reading the market like an open book requires skills, requires practice. bullish volume for bullish momentum or bearish volume, bearish momentum. No, it's not like that. The market could be in bearish volume. It means the volume is decreasing while the market is moving upward. And the volume could be increasing, so in bullish momentum, let's say, while the market is decreasing, so the price is decreasing or the price is in bearish momentum. They are not correlated or uncorrelated, the volume and the price. It's not like that. When the volume increases, the market moves up. When the volume decreases, the market moves down. Of course, no. They are not related. No, it's not like that. Again, it's about trading each situation accordingly. So if you watch my previous live streamings, we have dozens of live streamings. You can watch all of them. The more you watch, the more you learn. And the more you learn, the more you earn. So basically, trading, learning how to read the volume depends on each market situation and should be traded accordingly. The more you watch live streamings, the more you see how to trade each market situation accordingly. Again, the price is still fluctuating between EMA 9 and 20. The gbpusd was able to push upward. However, the AUD is in a slow mode for the moment. Again, slightly below EMA 9. Any specific pair work best for any? No specific pair, of course, in scalping or applying the strategies. No specific pair. The idea is the trader should be trading the pairs with the lowest spreads in the account. Because in scalping, of course, lower spreads is better. So trading the pairs with the lowest spreads in the account. So the Euro, GBP, AUD, USD CAD, USD Yen, Euro GBP. You can trade different pairs, but trading only one pair at a time. The price is pushing toward EMA 50 overall. And that's how you trade a slow market. So you will be waiting on your profits a bit longer. However, expected the faster markets due to the FOMC has been announced. I usually trade with you the other sessions because they are faster. However, expected a faster market due to post FOMC. You can also watch my previous live streamings. We have many trading live the FOMC announcement news. You can watch our previous live streamings trading the FOMC live. The news are always good. Never be afraid from the news. They are always good, providing high volatility in the market, which moves the price. Again, the market is up, still fluctuating in this area, very close from EMA 9 and 20. We can close on that level with around $250 profits. We can wait for this high. We've been reaching around 400 or 350. But the market has the power to reach higher level. It has faced some resistance line here. That's why pushed back to accumulate its bullish momentum. And once going back, take a look at the volume. Faded below EMA 20 and remained there. So there's no interest in moving down. Here we are, $250 in profits again. And we are missing the volume crossing EMA 20. WM Leo, hello King, hello member, you're most welcome. Let's see other markets. The euro has made a good upward movement, even though very small candles. So it took a long time to move a bit, but it has moved. The gbpusd has been moving already. USD CAD has been slow already, as I told you from here. It was a good selling opportunity, but it will take time. Euro GBP very close from EMAs and the USCN also. The GBP has offered a great buying opportunity right there. So if you have bought it here and closed on your profits, it was a great buying opportunity. The volume crossed the MA20 on the previous candle. The market is unable to find continuation of its movement. And that's it. Again, upward. After accumulating its bullish power, the market is moving upward in aggressive mode. $380, $400 in profits. And we still didn't close. $400 in profits. Reaching this line here again. That's why here I've added on my orders, and I told you, for the traders who joined us late a bit, you have an opportunity here to buy. You still have an opportunity to enter with us. Again, facing difficulties around this resistance line. Take a look here, traders. All you need is to analyze well and understand. Okay, so here I told you the market was facing a resistance line. It took a step back to accumulate its bullish power. During this step back, how to confirm it's not reversing downward? Take a look at the volume. It has faded below EMA20 for all of this time. The candles, the bearish candles, weren't very big and weren't in line. So the market wasn't able to move a streamline of bearish momentum. It didn't show a bearish momentum. Okay, all of that indicates that the market is just accumulating its bullish power, took a step back, and it's going to continue moving upward. And exactly that's what happened. However, again, at this attempt, the market was unable to break this level. But it's going to break it, of course, sooner or later. Definitely, since the main momentum is up. And when did the market start moving upward toward this level? Again, when the volume crossed the MA20. Take a look here. The volume crossed the MA20, indicating the continuation of the initial upward movement. Of course, reading the market like that when you trade with me like an open book takes lots of time, but you need to start practicing. If you can read it 10% of that, believe me, you are going to be a very successful trader. 10%, if you can read it like that, you are going to be a very successful trader. The market is never complicated. Forex trading in general is very lucrative and never complicated. But it's hard for everyone because they think that's what they perceive, that's what they feel, that it's very complicated. Susil, hello. King, good morning. Hello, Susil. You're most welcome, member. Okay, the market is facing lots of difficulties around this level. Take a look, lots of many attempts, and the market has failed. So here you should start thinking about closing on your profits. The volume has crossed the MA20, so the market has the full potential of moving upward, however unable, as you can see. So there's a strong bearish power at this level. Okay, take a look here. The volume is increasing. That's what we want. So the market is going to be faster. Pay attention here, traders, how to act. The volume has increased a lot. Big candles are on the way. So now we have a big volume and the market is unable to move up. It means lots of sellers are at this level. So that's equilibrium line. Here, the equilibrium between sellers and buyers. The buyers are able to take it upward a bit. Take a look at the volume. It has increased a lot. And hopefully it remains like that. The faster, the better. EURUSD is still moving very slowly. GBPUSD is much faster for the moment. Of course, everything changes in a second. So you have to keep checking on all candidates. You should always be looking for your next candidate, your next entry. So you finish your entry on the first pair and you move to another pair. Again, the volume has increased. But actually for almost an hour, the market didn't move. So we bought here, the market went up and remained for almost an hour at this same level, slightly upward, slightly downward. So hopefully it starts moving faster. It should. We are post FOMC. So the market was impacted by these big news and it should be moving faster. Let's see. King, using only 4 or 5 orders from beginning. Is it okay? I'm talking about 1%. Yes, of course. The trader can always control his capital. So his trading balance. Yes, definitely. You can always use these measures, of course. The market is retrying to break this level. Here it was rejected in a tough way. Take a look at this inverted hammer. It was rejected in a tough way. So now we are retrying. Let's see. Cecil, thank you so much, King. Thanks a lot. You're most welcome, Cecil. Okay, so the main focus of the price now is to break this resistance level. Let's see if it's going to make it from this attempt. Perfect, another bounce off. Cecil clearing small dots, it helped a lot. Yes, of course, because some prop firm don't allow much position in a day. Yes, definitely. You have to follow their rules. Each one is different, of course. Each one has its own rules, and yes, the trader has to follow the rules, of course. The AUD is taking so long at this level, so we might close on our profits. And I will be looking for another candidate for the moment. Okay, let's close here on our $300 profits. Close on your profits. Exactly, $300 in profits. Our first entry. It took some time because the market is very slow. That's how you trade slow markets. So close on your first profitable trade for today. Our first entry. Of course, if the market was faster, we would have made larger profits. The gbpusd, if the market moves up, it will be offering a good opportunity. As you can see, the markets are not moving. As you can see, the price remained here for many candles. You never ever overtrade in Forex trading. For the moment, you do not have any opportunity, so you never trade. You never enter at this moment. You wait for an opportunity. Now we are actually waiting for the price to move, just to move, so we can have an entry, okay? So now we are waiting for the price to move. We have closed on our first $300 in profits. You never waste your time in trading. Profit is profit. Of course, if the market was fast, this would be 3,000 instead of 300, but the market is very slow, so making very small pips. In such market conditions, you have to expect slow profits, so they will take time, and small profits, okay? At the end, I always repeat, profit is profit. And you should always welcome it. You should always enjoy your profits. Don't forget to withdraw, if not daily, weekly, withdraw your profits and enjoy your profits. To fall in love with trading and continue in this career. The volume is very low on the AUD. Also, the Euro USD, the GBP has a higher volume, which make it a more suitable candidate for the moment. But the price is very close from EMA9, so we have to wait for at least to have some distance before we can enter it. The AUD is trying again to break this resistance level. We wanted to close slightly above it, but since the price wasn't moving, in such a case, you close on your profits and you don't keep waiting for, never fight with the market, okay? Again, facing difficulties at this level. The price was able to move slightly above it, the resistance line. Looking for the next opportunity. So for the moment, you have to wait. Not entering is also a trade, okay? So you have 3 trades: buy or sell or wait. Okay, for the moment, of course, we wait. Very slow market. The price is very close from all EMAs. Why would you enter? Okay. It's called overtrading, which kills your account. So you wait some minutes and the price will give you a great opportunity. AUD is still fluctuating around this resistance line. As you can see, it was again unable to break it, unable to break above it again. Clearly, it was a tough line for it. Multiple attempts and wasn't able to break it. We have closed on our profits. If the market moves back down toward the level where we have placed our orders, so the lowest low, we will be buying it, of course, more aggressive, and we'll be closing again around this level, okay? King, make a video how to invest in gold. Thank you. Well, yes, I will be making, hopefully, I will be teaching that. However, it's not a video. It takes some hours. It's not an easy video. Investing in gold is a big field, a big research. Decades passed on that, how it started, how it's now. So lots of information to be shared, and what is the best way or how to invest in gold in the best way, because of course it's the safest haven. So it's a great investment if you know how to invest in gold. Then in course we will buy. You're most welcome, Cecil. Of course, everything I placed on my website is automatically announced on my channel, and hopefully soon for all of that. So as you can see, you always have to trade in a calm way. Either you are waiting, the market is going in your way or against your way. You always have to remain calm in all different market situations. If you watch all of my live streamings, it's always like that, okay? Once you start fighting with the market, definitely you are going to lose. Take a look, the AUD dollar was able to push upward finally. Slightly above the resistance line. Again, the price slightly above the resistance line. Take a look at the AUD, big bearish candles. Wasn't able to break this level. As I told you, traders, it wasn't able. Okay, let's start buying the AUD again. It's moving faster. Larger candles. Wasn't able to break this level. However, it's going to break it. Let's buy the AUD USD again. So let's re-enter this market. Started making big candles, so it's interesting. On the other hand, Euro USD very close from EMAs with small candles. GBP USD also very close from EMAs with small candles. So the AUD dollar is a better candidate for the moment. But hopefully it keeps this speed. Okay, again, I repeat, the trader can never control the speed of the market. Never. You just have to adapt and move with the flow. The market is fast, you trade accordingly. Slow, you trade with patience, you trade accordingly. Take a look, traders. What did I say? As I told you, the market is not going to be able to break this level. That's why we have closed on our profits. Our first $300 in profits, we have closed already. Now we are re-entering. Now what we are doing, we are flipping our profits. That's how you trade. That's how you open on time and you close on time. That's what I'm talking about. We have chosen the AUD USD because it's making big candles. So now we are buying again more aggressively to be flipping these profits. King, when you started, there's no one to teach you. I understand now how hard you work on yourself, and that attitude makes you king of Forex till date. Really, so much love and respect. Thank you, Susil, for your kind words. Definitely, exactly. When I started out, of course, no one teaches you in Forex trading, and it took me 3 years to become a successful trader. Started working for prop firms and the biggest international firms, worked for others, and finally for myself in very large amounts of money. So handled large millions. And that's your luck, or let's say your chance, because now I've decided after all of these years from the 1% club to start this channel, to trade live with you, to show you no one can do 1% of what I have made. And I've decided to do that because of what I have seen. Unfortunately, everything elsewhere outside is pure nonsense. So that's why I've decided to place traders on the right path toward success, because I've done everything in Forex trading. No one can do 1% of what I have made from the market or what I have made here. And it's always a pleasure for me. Yes, if you practice and work on yourself and get everything, learn everything, the right knowledge, everything is available on my website. If you learn everything from A to Z and practice day in, day out, you should become a successful trader. King, that what was... Ooh. You're most welcome, Susil. Okay, so we are rebuying the AUD USC. Take a look at the Euro USC. We didn't enter because clearly the market is not moving. Very small candles and very close from EMAs. GBP USD also not that much. So AUD seems the more interesting one. The spread is always the same, Susil. So almost similar conditions to today. That's what I'm talking about. The AUD started moving. Buy the AUD USD with me, traders. Thank you, King. You're most welcome, Cecil. Yes, the spread is always like that for the brokers since decades. Each broker has different spreads. However, all you need is a good one. No need for a special one. Again, the price is slightly below EMA9. So that's why we are buying for the moment. We have closed already at this level, and now we are flipping our profits. So we are re-entering this market. So still another question. King, can a trader trade only one pair and became very successful on his Forex trading career? Yes, it's possible, but he will have a limited experience because he's not exposed to all different market situations, to different pairs. But yes, in the logical sense, yes, it's possible. It's feasible, yes. But for example, my colleagues at the 1% Club all, of course, trade the different pairs because more opportunities, more exposure. However, you can trade only one pair, definitely. Each trader has his own style at the end, so the trader uh, should try to find his style, his confidence zone, his comfort zone, and trade in a way that fits his style. Yes, of course, these are one of the best pairs, Susil. Understand, King? Yes, of course. Always trading the pairs with the lowest spreads. If the USD CAD continue its upward movement, it could be providing a good selling opportunity. USD Yen also. Traders who just joined, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this stream. You can now start buying with us the AUD USD. Even if you just joined, you are on the right time. You can buy the AUD USD with us to make some good profit. Of course, the market is slow, so you should expect a slow movement. So things will take time. Take a look here. 1 hour and the price is at this same level, moving 10 points, 15 points, not pip points. So just imagine. Joe Q, King, if it wasn't for your teaching, I would have never succeeded at trading. Joe Q, you're most welcome. Thank you for your kind words. I had many bad habits and my psychology was a mess. I needed to watch you trade and listen to you in order for me to change. Definitely. Trading psychology is a key, it's essential, and trading live with me is a golden opportunity to learn how to remain calm, to control your greed, to control your fear, and most importantly, to learn how to trade your timing and everything, how you analyze the market and everything. You can also always, traders, I advise you to rewatch the replay because when you are trading live with me, you are under pressure. You are opening orders with me. So you want to win, you want to make profits. I understand. But when you are rewatching, you will watch your trades, what happened, you will be able to improve, to analyze from a calm corner, okay? So always watching the replay of your streaming, even if you have participated in it, is very beneficial. And participating in my live trading is the most beneficial thing, of course. However, I go live as much as possible. Susil, me too, you're most welcome. So again, now you can start buying the AUD USD with me. We have added on our orders and it's all about waiting for the price to move upward. We've added a bit of orders. I've been a bit aggressive, not because the market is moving aggressively, but because the market is moving very slowly. So to make some good profits, even though the market will be making some small movements, so to make it worth it a bit, King actually using both strategy, only one pair or two. Yes, that's perfect. Euro USD still very close from EMAs. The GBP also. Big bullish candles are on the way on the AUD dollar. The next target is the highest high here. Still EMA basic, excellent, as you explained in video, but first understand the full EMA version. Yes, definitely, of course. Here it's a very limited version, so it's not enough at all. Of course, you need the hidden secrets, the full knowledge, which is available in the full version, available on my website. And the 1% trading strategy is the highest value product. AUD/USD facing upward toward EMA 50 for the moment, but keep in mind the main target is this highest high. So we are going to target the highest high created by the market some minutes ago. Still at almost the same level. Crypto savior, sometimes I look at the chart without anything. I can see the beauty in your teaching. Beautiful. You're most welcome. Exactly. With more practice, you will start seeing the beauty of the chart, of the market, of the whole trading experience. So still, this time market was always slow. Yes, definitely. As you can see, for 1 hour it's not moving. Well, it's the Asian session, so the Tokyo one, but it should have been faster actually due to we are post FOMC. However, the market is always changing its speed, moving from fast to slow and vice versa. And I usually go live at the other sessions when the market is faster to enjoy more scalping, of course. But that's how you trade a slow market. We have traded slow markets previously. If you watch my previous streamings, we have faced such slow markets multiple times, and it's normal. You can never control the speed of the market. And that's how you trade a slow market. Patience is the big title, and never over trading. So some traders go to the opposite and start over trading in such situations because they want to make faster profits. So it's like fighting with the market. and this never work, of course. Again, the price is very close from EMA 9. Next target EMA 50 toward the highest high. You can add on your orders for the moment. The market is offering another good opportunity. So we have closed on our profits previously around this level. You see, traders, you have to always analyze it in the right way. Why did we close previously here with $300 profits? Because as I told you, the market is facing difficulties breaking above this level. Moreover, it had a chance to move backward, accumulate its bullish power, came back with also another failed attempt. So the market had enough to break it but wasn't able. That's why we have closed on our profits, and now we are offered the opportunity to rebuy. So that's what we are doing. We are flipping our profits. So now you can re-enter with me. Yes, I made on Slow Market King. It's a learning for me. Slow. You should always win, Susil. Even slow markets, fast markets, the trader should always be a winner. He should adapt all market situations. So trading different speeds accordingly, either trading fast markets or slow markets. Each situation, each pace, each speed has its own style of trading. Of course, in all of our previous live streamings, we have traded all different market situations. Again, the price is heading toward the MA20 for the moment. Oh, I understand. You're most welcome, member. Thanks, King. You're most welcome, Cecil. Crypto Savior, I love run always. The 1% kills the run always. Yes, definitely. Congratulations for all of your profits and improvement and success, most importantly, in Forex trading. Now, if the market pushes down further on, we might add on our orders. But facing difficulties breaking below this level. As you can see, the market has created a support level from below and also a resistance level from up, and it's moving in between support and resistance. Here it is. Run always market, I meant. Yes, I understand. Big bullish candles are on the way. Take a look. The volume crossed the MA20. The market wasn't able to break this resistance level. Take a look at the big green candles coming our way, starting from this one toward EMA 50. Was able to reach EMA 50, but turned down immediately. Let's see. The market is dictating my predictions. Take a look, traders. The price is moving upward. Big bullish candles are on the way. Take a look. We are going to reach the highest high, as discussed some minutes ago. Again, reaching EMA 50. However, facing difficulties. Breaking above it. Joe Q, King, do any of your 1% club friends trade the EMA strategy or just you? Yes, definitely. Lots of them. Also, the 1% trading strategy. Most of the 1% trading strategy is the main one that the 1% traders trade. However, of course, many of them also trade the EMA strategy. The price is heading upward toward this high. However, facing the EMA 50 at the moment. the same price level for the moment, the price and EMAs. Okay, perfect. Now it's a golden opportunity to add on your orders. Now you can add on your orders on the AUD USD. Xavier, I want to ask a question. If the price don't break the bottom for more than hour, it's not going to break it. It depends on each situation, of course. It's not a general rule, of course. You're most welcome. Let's see other markets. The Euro USD is still very close from EMAs, GBP USD also. The AUD dollar making these big bearish candles. And we are going to see an upward momentum, a strong upward momentum on the AUD USD. So sell king while using phase V. Should we close or wait? You can close immediately. So sell. Okay, now you can add on your orders, traders. As you can see, we have closed previously on our orders because the market is going to move back down, and now we are refilling our orders to make lots of profits. Thanks a lot. So sell, you're most welcome. Susil, as you teach us in technical analysis video, Fibonacci is great. I'm closing 90% time accurate before it reversal. Thanks for Curses King. You're most welcome, Susil. Congratulations for your success. Yes, exactly. The technical analysis product is also very important. Actually, in trading, you need the complete trading skill set. Technical analysis is an essential topic. Fundamental analysis is as important as technical. The the candlesticks, the chart patterns, the trading psychology, the basic knowledge, the beginner's knowledge, then the strategy. So you need the complete trading skill set, and technical analysis is an essential part of it. It helps a lot. Of course, the price is still moving at the same level due to slow market. However, we can expect a bounce off toward the highest high. Take a look. The market is heading toward the EMA 50 for the moment as a first step. The final target is going to be the high. So, King, there are lots of people who are using 3 or 4 screen to trade, but 1% need only one PC. That's it. Yes, of course. Maybe when starting out, someone would need multiple screens. It helps at the beginning, but it's not necessary at all. So you don't have to use multiple screens. Only one screen is more than enough for a trader to succeed. We are still at the same price level, so we just have to wait. That's how you trade a slow market. At least we are creating some opportunities and making some profits. So you just have to wait for the price to move upward. Now we can add on our orders. Another comment. Daniel, you're most welcome, member. Welcome to KOF fans. Welcome on board. It's getting head and shoulders. Then up we go. Definitely the main direction is up. However, for the head and shoulders, we cannot assume it's a head and shoulders since the market is not moving a lot. So it's making small ticks, small pips. So here we are moving from 0.64050. All of that 0.64100. So it's only 50 points. So in such a case, we cannot assume if it's the shapes or patterns of the market. Actually, the price is not moving, so it's only about recognizing the main direction and waiting for the setup to accumulate. We started buying from that point since the market is going. We were refilling our orders and we are going to reach that point. So you have to know the main direction and put your target. In such a slow market, you do not have to analyze the shape or pattern. Daniel, hello master, you're most welcome, member. You can start buying the AUD USD with us. Perfect. The market started moving finally. Now you can add on your orders. Take a look at how you should make a distance between your orders. That's it. The price was rejected from below. The Euro USD also started making big candles. So now the Euro USD is becoming interesting. It might be the next candidate. After being very slow, not moving at all, now it started to make larger candles. The GBP USD is still not interesting, not providing opportunities. So the Euro is doing great. Crypto, Savior, okay, you're most welcome. USD CAD, you do not have an opportunity. The Euro GBP is providing a good opportunity, a good selling one, but wait a bit for the price to move upward. The USD Yen, you do not have an opportunity, and the GBP Yen also. So our next target might be the Euro USD. It's pushing upward a bit. Hopefully it continues in this way. For the AUD USD, we have refilled our orders and we are waiting for the price to continue its upward momentum toward the previous high. The first target is EMA 50 for the moment. Breaking 9, 20 and going toward the 50. The blue one. Indecisive candle around the EMA 20. That's how you flip your profits. We have closed on our first 300 in such a slow market, and now we have re-entered to flip our profits. Pushing toward the EMA 50. The price is always getting very close from EMA 50, however, still unable to reach it. You was in Romania, Master. I have visited, but not recently. And my greetings to Romania. My greetings to all of your countries, traders. I know that you are watching me from different countries. I love all of your countries. I keep moving from a country to another. Again, the price got very close from it, but unable to reach it. Xavier, have you ever went to Guyana, my country? Actually, not yet. Susel, achieving lots of knowledge today's session. Definitely. The market has different trading situations, and I always advise you to watch all my live streamings. We have dozens of live streamings, so you can understand how to trade different situations accordingly. The euro is making big candles, so it's interesting. The gbpusd is still very close from EMAs. Always keep your eye on the charts to be looking for the next candidate. You do not want to miss an opportunity at the end. But do not enter with the FOMO, fear of missing out trades, so you become an over trader, so you start over trading. Finally, the price reaches EMA 50. So never overtrade, but always try your best to not miss an opportunity to make the most possible of profits from the market while you are trading. So the more you trade, the more you make. That's how it should be. Take a look, the bullish momentum is getting more aggressive. So the market started making faster movements finally. A faster mode. We are moving to another speed, and hopefully it continues in this way. The speed. Larger green candles. Be prepared to close on your profits. Be very fast while closing. Never use EA to close. They don't work. They don't always work, and they are slow. Closing manually is much faster, safer, and that's your best way to close. Take a look, traders. The market is up. Big bullish candles started already. Finally, the market is becoming faster. As I told you, the main thing is to understand what's the main direction of the market. Once you get the main direction, you are confident enough in your trading, then all you have to do is to be patient and wait for the setup to accumulate, to start, so you can close on your profits. Joe Q, hi King. NFP is this Friday. Hopefully we can trade it with you if you happen to be free that day. Yes, definitely. I've traded the NFP live multiple times with you during my past live streams, and hopefully we will be able to trade it together during the next one, for the next one. Never trader be afraid of the news release. The opposite, it's great for a scalper because the news, big banks, big institutions move the market, and that's what you need as a scalper. You can make very fast, large profits during the news. Joe Q, never mind. I'm sorry, I was looking at the November. It's okay, it's fine. No worries at all. And hopefully we can trade together the next NFP whatsoever. Again, the price is continuing its upward momentum. It's too early to close, as you can see. Continuing the upward momentum. So, Sel, can you tell us a little about your 1% friend? Are they all using moving averages, strategies, or price action? Thank you. Yes, definitely. Almost same way as I trade. That's the only way to reach the 1% club. In other words, to become from the 1% successful traders worldwide. There's only 1% successful and 99% failure. I teach you the way the 1% trade. That's the only way to succeed in Forex trading from decades till now and till the future. I've been going live for around 3 years maybe, and take a look, the strategies are always working. It's not a strategy that works today and tomorrow doesn't, like other strategies. Why? Because you are trading the strategies of the 1%, the only successful traders in the world. The market has its secrets. Forex career has secrets, and it's your chance to get these secrets. Stop losing, stop wasting your time, and start trading on the right path. It's really worth it. Okay, the price is continuing the upward momentum. As I told you, the first target was going to be EMA 50. Once breaking EMA 50, we can expect the market to push upward further on. And here we are. The market really did an aggressive upward movement. Be prepared to close on your profits. Be prepared. $266, $250, $260 in profits, and we didn't close yet. Of course, you cannot expect large profits in a slow market because the price will be making small pips. So you have to be realistic to expect large, fast profits in a fast market and the small, slow profits in a slow market. You have to start feeling and reading the market, in other words. The price is taking a break from this upward momentum. Moving downward a bit toward EMA 9. Our target is still around the previous high. Daniel, lots of news today. Yes, that's great for the market. So the trader can have lots of opportunities trading. A day filled with news to be announced. The EMAs and the price action are all combined, Susil. Moreover. So reading the price action, it means reading it with the EMAs, okay? They are all combined together. It's a one piece. And the EMAs are the guide for the trader. If he knows how to use them, of course. Susil, understand, King, you're most welcome. Savior, do you ever play sports? I love squash. Ever try it? Yes, I love sports. Of course I do. I love walking. It's one of my favorite hobbies. Walking in nature or jogging, one of my favorite hobbies. Basketball is good. Football is good. Swimming also. I will try it, your sport. The price retraced a bit from its upward momentum, reached the EMAs and prepared back to continue the bullish momentum. Take a look. Moving upward further on. The GBP started moving also. Xavier, you will love it. Try it. Tell me what you think. Okay. Yes, hopefully soon. I'm going to try it. It sounds interesting. The price is still stuck at the same level. So in such a case, you don't remain on your target, which is the previous high. You decrease it a bit. So still, it's been on YouTube since 3 years now. I know you don't tell the answer here in public platform, but at least give some hints. Are below 40 or above. I'm sorry I asked it finally. Take a look, the price is pushing upward in aggressive mode. We are getting closer from our target. Silking, please tell more about tick charts. Exactly, as in all of my previous live streamings, we always analyze the tick charts, which is here on the left, as same as the market watch. You always have to keep the market watch in front of you to keep your eye on it. So you open orders at the end of the market watch, which means at the end of a candle. Each candle represents a 1 minute. Here we are on the 1 minute chart. So each candle represents a 1 minute or M1 chart. So you can open your order, sell or buy at the end of the candle. Also the tick chart to realize the ticks, how they are formed in a consecutive manner. It's different from the candles. If you see big ticks, it means the market started, they are like the steps. It means the market started moving in bigger steps. So you can expect larger candles, larger movement, sometimes a bounce off. If out of a sudden the market started making large ticks, out of a sudden it might indicate a bounce off from a support area or resistance area. And that's all you need. Daniel, slow market, yes, definitely. Wanted to trade the Asian session with you. You can trade all sessions. However, I expect it to be faster a bit since we are post FOMC, but it was slow. Anyhow, the trader should always be able to make profits during all different market situations, including the slow market as we are doing today. But it's about patience, the big title. As you can see, for 2 hours maybe, and the price is just moving 50 points. Definitely a slow market. So 10 points movement are taking lots of time. It's fine, profit is profit, traders. We've made our first 300 and we are continuing. The price is getting closer from our target, so it needs to move upward a bit further. Okay, be prepared, traders. The market is faster, moving a bit more aggressively. And that's it. The market is up. Perfect. Toward the previous high. And we'll be breaking it further on. Coolly King, what do you use? Well, I use different ones. I use different brokers, and the only one you need is a good broker. That's all you need. No need at all for a special one or special specs. All you need is a good one. You can search for them on Google or check their websites. All you need is a good one. It depends, of course, on each country, on the traders' variables, what he wants, his capital. The more capital you place, the more you can negotiate lower spreads. Okay, so someone opening an account with $1 million is not like someone opening an account with a couple of thousands. Of course, the account with millions will have lower spreads. He can negotiate lower spreads. Okay, so all you need is a good one to be suitable for scalping. That's it. The euro started making larger candles. The GBP also. So next candidate might be one of them. Again, the price is still in this consolidation here, which is only about 20 points, imagine. Okay, be prepared, traders. Be prepared to close on your profits. Again, reaching the previous high. This one. Here, a resistance line, but it's not a tough one, so the market is able to break it. Euro USD also started moving, GBP less, so Euro USD is a better next candidate. You see, always you have to prepare your next candidate and move from one to another. That's, of course, the most optimized way to earn profits around the clock. But you can only trade one pair or two or whatever is favorable for you. Take a look, traders. Okay, here we are. $370 profits. Close on your profits. Be very fast. Close on your profits and be very fast. Close on your profitable trades. Close on all of your profits. Close on your orders, traders. Close all your profits, and here we are, $530. Of course, we could have made much more profits, but always wait for the right momentum to place your orders. So in such a case, when the market is moving in a slow mode, always aim for small profits, and when the market is moving in a fast mode, you have to aim for big profits. Okay, so always trade according to the market conditions, not according to your needs. So pay attention here. Never trade according to your needs, always trade according to the market conditions. Maybe now you are saying, I need more profits. Okay, but the market doesn't think what you need or what the other one needs. Okay, the market will do what it does as always. So always think about the flow of the market. If it's a slow market, imagine for hours the market has been only making 50 points. You cannot expect making very large profits. On the other hand, as in all of my different live streamings, when the market is moving very fast, you should aim and be able to make very fast and big profits. We have closed at a very good moment, and here we are. Someone made a chat about the price action, the head and shoulders. Well, actually here it's more, as I told you, for when the market is moving very slowly, also you cannot analyze head and shoulders and these details. However, you can see here clearly that was the second bottom. That's why here we have added on our orders, since we've had a first low there and a second low here. So that was the second low. So here we've had a double bottom. Okay, so the big picture was a double bottom. However, when the market is moving very slowly, making a tick there, a tick there, you cannot analyze price head and shoulders and these patterns. Okay, so pay attention to that. Differentiate between the big picture and the small picture. Congratulations, traders, for your profits made with me trading today. So sell King 0 spread with $0.2 per side, or 0.01 spread with no commission is good. For scalping, 0 commissions, like my account now, 0 commissions and slightly higher spreads. Of course, it's not going to be same spreads. So 0 commissions with slightly higher spreads is better than having a commission and very small spreads. Okay, for scalping. For scalping, 0 commission is better. I mean, when high volume time, I place the order, but it's not working. Definitely in high volume time, it's not about slippage or... Okay, take a look, traders. Here we have closed and the market went down. You see, that's the feeling of the market. You have to feel that the price is not going up any longer. It's going to move down and then it might continue up. It's okay. So now I have to close, because if it moves down, I will have the opportunity to rebuy, to re-enter and reflip my profits. Okay, it's always like that. You have to feel the market. Okay, so yes, if you watch my whole previous live streamings, for example, when I was trading with you, the FOMC or different news announcement, I always place buy or sell, and the market doesn't take my order immediately. It's not slippage, it's more of the execution of the trade. Okay, it's about how fast the execution of the broker of your trade. Okay, how fast the broker can execute your trade. When you place a buy, your broker has to execute your trade. So during big news, as you can see in my previous live streamings, if you watch them carefully, I place a buy, and the market doesn't take it immediately. Okay, it doesn't take it immediately due to the high volatility during the news announcement, especially big news like FOMC and the big news very well known. Okay, so it's very normal. Okay, slippage is when your order is placed at a different place from when you have decided to place it. Okay, So it differentiates some points either in your take profit. For example, let's say your take profit is at, let's say, on the Euro USD 1.10900, okay, and you realize that it was closed at 1.10910, so 10 points slippage. That was good for you, okay. Sometimes it in the stop loss, the price hits your stop loss and take it further on some points. That's slippage. Sometimes when you buy and you are taken at another price level, that's slippage, okay. But taking time to execute your orders during the big news is very normal with all the accounts, okay. Of course, during big news, it will take time to execute your order. AUD USD we have closed on time, that was perfect. The euro dollar, I wanted to take it as a next candidate, however, it has moved up already. It was a great buying opportunity here. So if the euro USD continued moving down, it would have been a great opportunity. On the other hand, the gbpusd didn't offer a good opportunity, so the euro USD, if it continues going up for the moment, it might be a good selling opportunity. Is that good accounts, or I avoid that type of account? It depends on how normal it is. If with little volatility your orders are not executed immediately, it means there's a problem with the network execution of your broker, okay. But during very high big news, when the price jump 700 800 points, your order will not be taken immediately, okay. And actually, if you are following my strategies, you will not place your order, you will wait for the price to move a bit and then you will start entering, okay. Whatsoever, once you start entering, if you realize that your order weren't taken immediately, that's very normal. But if they took 5 minutes, no, that's not normal, okay. A maximum of a 1 minute during the biggest news, okay. And during small news or small movement, your orders should be executed immediately. Definitely the execution of the broker is important. That's why all you need is a good broker. All you need is a good broker, so it means he can execute your trades in a good manner, okay. Very small slippage if it happens, and very fast execution even during the toughest news. You always have the chance to change a broker. That's your lowest problem. The biggest problem is you becoming a successful trader, and it's my legacy traders always showing you the right path toward success. It's a very lucrative career path. I've taken a lot from it. I've done everything in Forex trading in my life, and it's my legacy to show you the path toward success. So sell it. Yes, my account is slippage account. Understand, King. Thanks, King. You're most welcome. So sell. I will be looking for the Euro USD if we might have another opportunity. If the price continue moving upward, I will start entering it by selling this market. Facing resistance level here for the Euro USD. Okay, traders, this session was long enough due to the slow market, so I will not be able to continue trading. However, the market will become faster, of course, approaching the other sessions during the day. And that's it. So sell great knowledge. Thanks, King. You're most welcome. Traders, I have really enjoyed my time trading live with you as always. Congratulations for your profits made with me today and for learning how to trade slow markets. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell of my channel so you receive an instant notification whenever I go live. Keep moving forward in your Forex trading career. Keep working on yourself and moving forward toward success. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. This is King of Forex from the 1% Club.